Hi there, I'm Alexis. I'm the leasing specialist here at Reed Square. Today we're going to be looking at our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan. It's 1198 square feet, a ton of natural light, and a ton of storage. Let's take a look. As we come on in here, we have a spacious entryway. Plenty of space here to put a shoe rack. Lots of wall space if you want to hang up something for your keys or even a mail holder. Leading right into our galley style kitchen. We have all stainless steel appliances, microwave, fridge freezer combo, glass top stove and oven, all granite countertops and espresso wood cabinetry throughout the kitchen. We have our stainless steel dishwasher and sink. The sink is amazing, it's stainless steel, and the modern faucet comes down, makes it super easy to wash dishes. This gorgeous dining room has hardwood style flooring, a ceiling fan to help circulate the air, and a bright window that lets in tons of natural light. This gorgeous living room is 18 by 13. We have wood plank vaulted ceilings. This skylight lets in tons of natural light, and you have one on each side of the living room. The home has double pane doors and windows that keep your home insulated. This living room has an amazing layout, ample opportunities to arrange any kind of furniture. And you have a spacious balcony, plenty of room to put some patio furniture out there. Through the hallway here, you'll see that the home is equipped with a central AC and heating system. Adjacent to our kitchen here is probably one of my favorite features of the home is this huge walk-in pantry. You have awesome wire shelving. Really helps to keep everything organized. You even have some extra space on this wall to put some extra shelving to maximize your storage opportunities. This is a linen style closet. You can put blankets, sheets, cleaning supplies. Great for some extra storage. Our main bathroom is right off the hallway, super easy for guests to access. Same granite counters and cabinets as the kitchen. Tons of storage in this vanity and a super spacious tub. Tucked away in the hallway is our washer-dryer closet. We have a full-size Whirlpool washer and dryer, stackable to help save space, and front-loading. We actually have an extra coat closet over here, just for any extra storage you may need. Here we have our master bedroom. This bedroom is 14 by 11. It has 2 closets, one on each side. This closet actually has an extra storage organizer as well. This walkout balcony has double pane doors and lets in a ton of natural light. Into our ensuite bathroom. This bathroom has tons of storage in the vanity and a coveted walk-in shower. Into our second bedroom right next to the master. This bedroom is 11 by 10.5. We have another awesome closet in here with an organizer and access to that same walkout balcony that's attached to the master. Coming back full circle into the hallway, it's going to lead us right back into our bright living room. This home is the perfect mix of a modern rustic design. Our application process is all online. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much.